Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. Okay, I think we're done.
Done? How's it look, Zoe?
Good.
It's a starfish donut. Alright, sample it. Yummy? We'll fight cut after
Is it
this.
super duper yummy or just yummy?
Just yummy.
Dang. Brutal.
Harsh critic. You broke your bar? How come? Why'd you break your bar? You love it to break?
Yeah, it's so fun to break.
You know, Zoe, before you were born, Mommy and Daddy used to camp right here.
Oh.
We used to go camping here. And Mommy and Daddy camped over there one time, a long time ago. We camped over here one time. See over there where the car is? See over there? See that one car? No, that way. Over there. Zoe, that way. Look at my finger. Zoe. That way. That car. Mommy and Daddy, that's the first... Uh-huh. That's where we camped for the first time ever here. Then we camped next to it one time. And then we camped over here.
Horse has
Okay.
Yeehaw!
Daddy was trying to take a nap. But okay.
How about horse taking?
Owie! Owie!
This is horse pillow.
That's a horse pillow?
Yeah.
You call Daddy a horse?
Yeah. Here's your horse pillow.
Thank you. The
Horse has to sleep here.
But horses sleep standing up. They don't use pillows.
No, the horse needs something comfy.
Something comfy?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I win.
Did you get your video?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
It's not on slow-mo?
You did? Oh, well. Whatever.
Daddy, we just saw the picture of me, and I was going slow motion. And I was going
Raging
slow
fire.
motion. It's really funny.
Is it really funny? Is that really funny?
The elephant knows.
Zoe, swing it around on top of your head. Like Mommy said. Zoe, can you swing it? Can you swing it like this? Like this. No, Zoe, swing it like this. Like this. Swing it. It doesn't have to be connected to your nose.
It's the elephant nose.
Is it? Okay, go around the chairs, remember? that supposed to be secret? It's so loud. I thought you said, let me tell you something.
It's a loud secret.
What are you
It's a
doing?
loud secret. It's like this loud.
It's like that loud?
Yeah. Marshmallows. Marshmallows.
Where's your s'more stick?
I know. Go sit down, Zoe.
There's one left inside.
Zoe, go sit down.
Zoe, there's one s'more stick inside.
What?
No, that s'more stick, honey, is the jab people in the side stick.
What?
It is the inadvertent jab people in the side stick.
Is
Yeah.
Why?
Because Zoe can, ow, ow.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to use this one?
No, you can't. It's not okay if you transition every 10 seconds because every video is like 10 seconds long. S'mores last night.
Yay, s'mores.
S'mores. S'mores. Zoe, you got some s'more like all over your face. No? Do you need a napkin? Here you go. You can't use your tongue for everything like that, Zoe. You're like, Zoe, there's something on your nose. There's something on your elbow. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.